Hey everybody. So the tool that I've chosen is called Go Noodle. I learned about Go Noodle when I was overseeing virtual learning last year during the pandemic. Um, and basically, a lot of teachers and PE teachers would use it as like brain breaks or just to get the kids moving. But through looking at it more, I've learned that there's so much more than that. So this is why I wanted to show Go Noodle. So over here, you've got the topics page. And under topics, they've got different categories. So travel and adventure, food and cooking, mindfulness and mental health, music and dance, outdoors and the environment. Those are just a few of them. So if you go to, let's say, food and cooking, um, on this page, they've got featured videos that show up so they can learn about different foods and stuff. They've also got activities. Uh, so you've got, for example, let's eat using a versus an. They've also got recipes that you can use. And then there's also blogs. So you can just kind of learn about different foods and what's good for you, what's not good for you, etc. Um, then you can go over here to channels. And under channels, they've got things organized kind of by topic as well. So like if you go to the best teas, um, these are all very similar videos of the same people. And they've got a lot of food-based stuff again. There's videos, there's activities that they have. So really just kind of endless stuff. Then you can go over here to activities and routines. And this is fun because they've got stuff organized by holidays and events. They've also got routines and activity types. So you can really get specific into what you're looking for. When we would have recess and it would be raining outside, we sometimes would have the kids do an indoor recess video. These generally tend to be between 15 to 20 minutes. But the kids just really love them and keeps them moving and gets them activity that they couldn't get outside. And then we've got skills and knowledge. So this is cool because it focuses on different content areas. So for example, you can go to math. Teaches you how to skip count to 100. There's different, again, activities that you can do. So really it's kind of for all content areas. You can find something really for every kind of situation. And primarily, I would say it's focused more on the elementary level, but you could also probably get away with doing it at the beginning middle school level as well. So thank you. Hope you enjoy Go Noodle.